Hello there. Right, let's jump straight in, shall we? If you're tackling Year 5 maths, mastering decimals is absolutely key. So today we're exploring working with decimals, getting right to the essential skills you'll actually need.
You know, all these core decimal rules, they actually connect together beautifully. Just look here. Whether you're building a 1-meter block by adding up 5 lots of 0.2-meter parts, or you're using bar models to solve real-life word problems, it all relies on the exact same mathematical building blocks. It's like a giant puzzle coming together.
Okay, let's dive straight into place value. The really crucial point with a number like 0.015 is understanding that third decimal place. That place represents thousands. So rather than getting all in a muddle over the zeros, you simply read this aloud as 15 thousandths. Pretty easy once you know how, right?
Now here's a question that trips up absolutely loads of people. How exactly do we order 0.123, 0.2, and 0.099 from largest to smallest? Have a quick think about that. Which of those numbers is actually the largest?
Well, the trick is to always start with the largest place value, which here is the 10th column. Let's look a bit closer. 0.2 has 2/10ths, 0.123 has just 1/10, and 0.099 has 0/10. That literally sorts it out for us immediately. The order from largest to smallest is 0.2, then 0.123, and finally 0.099.
Right, let's move along to column subtraction. Say we want to calculate 5.21 minus 3.45. Step 1 is absolutely crucial, perfectly aligning those decimal points. Now you can't subtract 5/100ths from 1/100th, can you? So we have to regroup. You simply exchange 1/10th from the tenths column to give yourself 10/100ths. Working carefully down the columns, we brilliantly arrive at 1.76.
Finally, let's put this straight into action with a real-world problem. Imagine a piece of string is 0.855 meters long, and you snip off a piece measuring 0.322 meters. How much is left? Using the exact same column method we just practiced, we subtract to find 0.533 meters remaining. Spot on. You're completely ready for your next maths challenge now. So, next time you're spending pocket money or measuring something out, ask yourself, how many thousandths are hiding right there in plain sight?